What do you do on the weekend?
I usually stay home, but sometimes I go out.
Oh, where do you go?
Sometimes I go to the beach. Sometimes I go to the park.
I often go there too. Do you ever go to the lake?
No, very rarely. It is too far from my house.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I try to eat healthy, so I usually cook vegetables.
Really? What kind of stuff do you make?
Sometimes I make soups. Sometimes I make stir fry.
Stir fry? That's not very healthy.
I know, but I don't eat it often.
Excuse me, is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, there's one on the first floor.
Great. And is there a pool?
Yes, there's a pool on the roof.
Is there a changing room up there?
No, there isn't, but there's a restroom.
Okay, thanks. So, what is there to do in your town?
Well, there is a mall, a cinema, and there are a few parks.
Oh, parks. Nice. I love nature. Which one do you recommend?
I think Central City Park is the best. There's a huge garden there.
Is there parking nearby?
Yeah, there's a huge parking lot across the street.
What is there to eat?
There is some pasta in the fridge.
I just had pasta for lunch. What else is there?
Well, there is some stuff to make sandwiches.
That will do. Where's the bread?
There's some in the cupboard, I think.
How was the movie?
It was really good.
Was it scary?
Yes, it was really scary.
Nice. Was it crowded?
No, it wasn't. There weren't many people there, surprisingly.
How was the test?
It was really hard.
How long was it?
There were about 20 problems.
Yeah? What was your score?
Let's just say it wasn't great, but it wasn't bad either.
Do you know who was at the party?
Jason was there. So was Sue.
Were Tom and Katie there?
No, they weren't there, but their son was.
Oh, I see. So, was it fun?
Yeah, it was a fun evening.
How was your day?
Difficult. I was so busy.
How so? What happened at work?
A tour bus came in the restaurant for lunch. They ordered a lot of food. We only had 2 waiters. So we were very busy.
Did you get a big tip?
We did. They left us $50.
Welcome home. What did you do tonight?
I went to the movies with my friends.
Fun. What did you see?
We saw the new James Bond movie.
How was it? I heard it was good.
It was really good. I liked it a lot.
Did you do anything afterwards?
Yes, we went to a cafe after the movie and talked a bit.
Did you eat? We ordered pizza.
Yes, I had dinner at the cafe.
Well, if you're still hungry, there's still some pizza in the kitchen.
Thanks, but I'm full. I ate a big sandwich.
So, are you a good cook?
Not really, but I can cook basic stuff.
Yeah? What can you cook?
I can make pasta dishes and some French cuisine. What about you?
I can't cook anything. I can only make an omelet.
Well, that's not too bad. Can you make pancakes?
No, I can't even make that. What are you doing tonight?
I am going to karaoke with friends. Do you want to come?
No, thanks. I can't sing at all.
Oh, you should come. Singing is fun.
Maybe for you. I hear you can sing really well.
I can sing a little bit, but I am not great.
That's not what I heard.
Do you take the bus to work?
No, I never take the bus. I always drive.
Yeah, it's so much easier to drive.
Do you drive to work?
Actually, I rarely drive. I usually walk to work. I live near the office.
Lucky you. Do you ever go to the movies?
I rarely do. It is too expensive. Do you?
No, not often. I usually rent DVDs.
Really? I never do that. I usually stream movies.
Nice. Do you have fast internet?
Yeah, usually it is fast, but sometimes it's slow.
Where were you last night?
I was at work.
Really? I was at your shop. You weren't there.
No, I was in the back working.
You were?
Really? I was there.
Are there exchange students at your school?
Yes, there are a few.
Really? What countries are they from?
Let's see. There is one student from Italy, and there are a few students from France.
Oh, cool. Is there anyone from Paris?
No, they are all from Lyon.